guys, so for a long time I wanted to make an escapement, and I've struggled, to be honest with you, trying to get one made. So I found this one on Thingiverse, and I thought it was a really good escapement. So I thought, start printing. But when I started to print, my printer played up, it didn't print, etc. But I left it alone for months on end, and then I went back to it and I finally got it done. So I'm really happy that I got this escapement working, and it's great. I love it. So enjoy. I'm printing a escapement. It looks quite good. This one is called Ratchet. Now this is the one I tried to print earlier and it didn't work, it came off the bed, but it seems like it's okay at the moment, as you can see. I'm printing my first gear. Guys, I'm going to have to start this again. Look, that's come off this, which is not good for me. So we started to print it now, but I put rafts on, so I'm assuming all this is rafts. It's been on for a few hours, and this is 36% complete. At least this time it's sticking. This is another gear. 96% done, guys. Well guys, this has given me so much problem to print. This is the first time it's looking like it's sticking and printing. I contacted so many people, I watched so many YouTube videos, I asked so many people, and my nozzle was blocked. I even changed the nozzle on this thing, but it was blocked behind the nozzle. Took it apart, took that out. Still it didn't stick, so in the end I put Prit onto the plate, as you can see. Anyway, I'm hoping that this will be okay. Finally can get this project finished. This is the first one, didn't print properly, so we'll have another go. Well guys, I can't believe it's actually printed. These are rods. This is the second lot. This is the screw, guys. I don't even know how that's going to work, but it's lying flat. I thought it was being better if it was standing up, but not sure. Well, it looks beautiful. Let's see what happens if I pick it up. And that's how it is. And that's how it was flat, I suppose. Some kind of locking screw. Not sure how many of these we need. Guys, I'm building the main kind of thing. Well guys, I'm doing it with the ABS. I'm not sure if it's going to work, because ABS has given me so many problems in the past, but we'll see. After 6 hours or so, it is done. A bit rough on top there, a bit rough around there, and this is lifting up. This plate is still hot. I'm gonna let it cool down, have a look at it. I think we can get away with it. Well guys, I'm so surprised that I actually got this ABS to work on this one. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Just turned it off, so I'll let it cool down a bit before I pick it up. But there you go. So that should be the last piece to print, as it were.